In a dense, verdant forest, deep within the heart of the woods, lived a wise old oak named Elderwood. Every year, with the onset of spring, Elderwood would watch in awe as the forest would awaken from its long winter slumber. The first signs of spring were the delicate green buds that sprouted on Elderwood's gnarled branches. Soon, the forest floor was carpeted with vibrant wildflowers, their colors a symphony of life. Chirping birds returned, their melodious songs filling the air with a joyous tune. But as the days grew longer, a shadow fell upon Elderwood. The once vibrant forest began to wilt, the leaves turning from green to a golden hue. Elderwood felt a sense of unease, for he knew what was coming. One day, a gentle breeze whispered through the forest, carrying the scent of fire. Elderwood, with a heavy heart, prepared for the inevitable. The forest was ablaze, the flames dancing and twirling, consuming everything in their path. As the fire raged, Elderwood stood tall, his branches reaching towards the sky. The fire eventually engulfed him, but he did not succumb easily. His bark, thick and strong, held out against the flames, protecting the forest from burning completely. When the fire subsided, Elderwood stood, charred but unbroken. The forest around him was a stark contrast, blackened and barren. But it was not long before the first signs of life began to appear. The gentle rain fell, washing away the ashes, and the forest began to heal. Green shoots sprouted from the charred earth, and the birds returned, their songs echoing through the once burnt land. Elderwood, though his bark was scarred, stood tall and strong, a testament to the resilience of life. Elderwood had learned a valuable lesson that day. He had seen the cycle of life, the birth, the death, and the rebirth. He realized that even in the darkest times, there is always a chance for renewal, a chance for growth. And so, every year, as the forest would awaken from its winter slumber, Elderwood would stand tall and strong, his scars a reminder of the cycle of life, a testament to the resilience of the forest and the hope for renewal. In every season, in every cycle, there is a lesson to be learned. Embrace change, for it is a part of the cycle of life. And remember, even in the darkest times, there is always a chance for renewal, a chance for growth.